Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we will be continuing on how to draw cartoon ears part 2. So for these sets of ears, we're going to take a more stylized approach. So we break in the norms of how you would typically draw the shape of the ears. So for these sets, we're going to create a diamond shape, because what's the point of drawing if you can have a little fun with it? So you can see here with the first ear, the shape we're going for. Now we'll just do the same shape for the second ear. And the only difference is we'll add a little line on the inside here for some detail. Alright, awesome. Now we can move on to our third ear at the bottom here. And like before, same shape. The only difference is the inside. So we could take that same line detail we used for the ear above and we could add it to this ear. And now we could add this triangle shape right here. And if you look closely, you could see the J, the letter J. And there's the same thing I mentioned in the first part to kind of help you guys see the detail in the ear a little bit more. So hopefully this helps. Alright guys, so now on to the final set. Well, at least for part 2, you guys aren't escaping. Just kidding guys, just kidding. Alright guys, so for this next shape, I really don't know how to describe it. It came about when I was randomly sketching. So for this video, we just going to call it a squish rectangle. Yeah, a squish rectangle. That sounds good. So you can see right here, we have our squish rectangle. Now we can move on to doing the second ear. So right at the bottom. So the same shape, and now we just going to add a line on the inside right there for the detail. And for the third ear, we could use our squash rectangle, and we could add in the letter J that we mentioned before. Alright, awesome. Alright guys, so we finished with part 2. But with that being said, we hope you guys learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.